हेलो दोस्तों, देव मोटर चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। एसिड बेस सॉल्ट के पार्ट 2 में आप सभी का स्वागत है। इसमें मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन और एसिड बेस सॉल्ट के सारे क्वेश्चंस को कंप्लीट कराया जाएगा। व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन ए सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एन एसिड इज मिक्स्ड विद अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ए बेस इन ए टेस्ट ट्यूब? Answer D number. Salt formation take place. The reaction of acid and base is an exothermic reaction and results the formation of salt and water. An aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue excess solution. Which one of the following solution would reverse the change? D number. D number alkaline solution. D number hydrochloric acid. Alkaline solution turns red litmus paper to blue. Excess of acid will reverse the change, so we have to add excess of hydrochloric acid, which turns the solution acidic. During the preparation of hydrogen chloride gas on a humid day, the gas is usually passed through the guard tube containing calcium chloride. The role of calcium chloride tails in the guard tube is to absorb moisture from the gas. C number. Calcium chloride is a good dehydrating agent, so it is used to absorb moisture from the hydrogen chloride gas. Which of the following salt does not contain water of crystallization? Baking soda. Blue vitriol CuSO4 into 5H2O. Baking soda NaHCO3. Washing soda Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Gypsum CSO4 into 2H2O. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is salt of weak acid and strong base. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 is the salt of carbonic acid H2CO3 and the sodium hydroxide. Here NaOH is the strong base and the carbonic acid is a weak acid. Calcium phosphate is present in tooth enamel. Its nature is basic. Calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 का twice is salt of weak acid and strong base, so it is basic salt. A sample of soil is mixed with water and allowed to settle. The clear supertendent solution turns the pH paper yellowish orange. Which of the following would change the color of the pH paper to greenish blue? An antacid. pH paper gives greenish color to weak alkaline medium, so antacid, which is an alkaline compound, which show greenish blue color on pH paper. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of acid strength? Water, acetic acid and hydrochloric acid. A number. Explanation. Water is natural substance. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid as it ionizes completely in water. Here acetic acid ionizes only partially in water, hence it is a weak acid. Ninth question. If a few drops of concentrated acid accidentally spills over the hand of a student, what would be done? Wash the hand immediately with plenty of water and apply a paste of sodium hydrogen chloride. B number answer. Explanation. Use of sodium hydrogen chloride neutralize the effect of acid completely. 10th number question. Sodium hydrogen carbonate when added to acetic acid involves a gas. Which of the following statements are true about the gas involved? It turns lime water milky. It extinguishes a burning splinter. It dissolves in a solution of sodium hydroxide. 1, 2, 3. B number answer. Explanation. Reaction of sodium hydrogen carbonate with acetic acid forms a sodium acetate and water with carbon dioxide gas. Question 11. Common salt besides being used in kitchen can also be used as the raw material for making washing soda, bleaching powder, baking soda. 1, 2, 3. C number answer. Explanation. Common salt is used as a raw material for manufacturing of sodium hydroxide, washing soda, bleaching powder, baking soda, hydrochloric acid and chlorine etc. One of the constituent of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The other constituent is tartaric acid. Explanation. Baking powder is a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate and a weak edible acid named as tartaric acid. To protect tooth decay, we are advised to brush our teeth regularly. The nature of the toothpaste commonly used is basic. The toothpaste commonly used is alkaline or basic in nature, so they can neutralize the effect of extra acid present in mouth cavity, which are mainly responsible for tooth decay. Which of the following statement is correct about the aqueous solution of an acid and base? Higher the pH, weaker the acid. Lower the pH, weaker the base. pH value lies between 0 to 14, in which 0 to 7 is acidic medium and 7 to 14 is alkaline or basic medium. The pH of the gastric juice releases during digestion is less than 7. Hydrochloric acid is produced by our stomach during digestion. Question number 16. Which of the following phenomena occur when a small amount of acid is added to water? Ionization and dilution. 1 and 3 number. 2 number. Explanation. Ionization can be defined as the dissolution of molecules into its respective ions. Mixing of an acid with water decreases the concentration of acid and it is called dilution. Which of the following can be used as an acid base indicator by a visually impaired student? Vanilla essence. Explanation. An olfactory indicator is required for visually impaired student. Vanilla essence imparts different smells in different medium, so can be used for such students. Which of the following substance will not give carbon dioxide on treatment with dilute acid? Baking soda. Marble or lime and baking soda release CO2 with HCl, but lime CaO with HCl form CaCl2 and water. Which of the following is acidic in nature? Lime juice. Lime juice contains citric acid, so acidic in nature. An attempt to demonstrate electrical conductivity through an electrolyte. The following apparatus was set up. Bulb will glow because NaOH is a strong base and furnishes ions for condition. Only 2. Explanation. A strong acid or base are good conductor of electricity because they ionize completely in aqueous solution to give ions. Which of the following used for dissolution of gold? Aqua regia. Explanation. Aqua regia is a very strong acid and can be used to dissolve gold. It is 1:3 mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated HCl. Which of the following is not a mineral acid? Citric acid. Mineral acids are mainly prepared from mineral present in the earth crust, so they are also called as inorganic acid like HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and HNO3, nitric acid. Organic acids are produced from plants and animals and contains carbon atoms like acetic acid and citric acid. Which among the following is not a base? Ethyl alcohol. Explanation. Ethyl alcohol is an organic compound with OH functional group that is known as alcohol. It cannot give OH ions in its solution. Which of the following statement is not correct? All metal oxide react with water to give salt in acid. B number. Some of the metal oxide react with water to form alkali like sodium oxide reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide. Match the chemical substances given in column 1 and with their appropriate application given in column number 2. Bleaching powder decolorization, baking soda antacid, washing soda preparation of glass, sodium chloride production of H2 and Cl2. Explanation. Bleaching powder CaCl2 used of bleaching or decolorization of clothes. Baking soda NaHCO3 used as an antacid for relieving stomach acidity. Washing soda Na2CO3 used in preparation of glass. Sodium chloride NaCl used for production of H2 and C2 gases. Equal volumes of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solutions of same concentration are mixed and the pH of the resulting solution is checked with the pH paper. What would be the color obtained? You may use color guide in the figure given below. Yellow. Explanation. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide are a strong acid and base respectively. So mixing of a strong acid and a strong base will form neutral salt and water giving the pH value as 7. Which of the following are true? When HCl passes through water, it ionizes the solution. It forms hydronium ion in the solution due to the combination of hydrogen ion with water molecules. C number answer. Explanation. HCl being a polar covalent compound which can easily ionize in water to form hydronium ion H3O positive plus chloride ion Cl negative. Which of the following statement is true for acid? Sour and changes blue litmus to red. Explanation. Acid have sour taste and can turn blue litmus solution to red. Which of the following are present in a dilute aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid? H3O positive plus Cl negative. Explanation. A strong acid like HCl dissociate completely in its aqueous solution and from hydronium ion with its respective ions. Identify the correct representation of reaction occurring during Chor-Alkali process. D number. Explanation. Chor-Alkali process is an industrial process that is used to form sodium hydroxide by electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride. It forms a sodium hydroxide with hydrogen and chlorine gas as byproducts. Match the acid given in the column with their correct source given in column 2. Lactic acid, curd; acetic acid, vinegar; citric acid, lemon; oxalic acid, tomato. Match the important chemical given in color with the chemical. Plaster of Paris, CaSO4 into 1/2H2O, gypsum, CaSO4 into 2H2O, bleaching powder, CaOCl2, slacked lime, CaOH का twice. What will the action of the following substances on litmus paper? Dry HCl gas, moisture, NH3 gas, lemon juice, carbonated soft drink, curd, soap solution. Dry HCl gas, it will show no effect on litmus paper as no ionization will occur in gaseous state. Moistured NH3 gas, it is alkaline in nature, so red litmus will turn blue. Lemon juice, it contains citric acid, therefore it turns blue litmus to red. Carbonated soft drinks, they have carbonic acid and can turns blue litmus to red. Curd, it contains lactic acid, so blue litmus will turn red. Soap solution, they are alkaline in nature and can turn red litmus to blue. Name the acid present in ant sting and give its chemical formula. Also give the common method to get relief from the discomfort caused by the ant sting. Acid present in ant sting is formic acid, which is also named as methanoic acid. Chemical formula of formic acid is HCOOH. It is acidic in nature, so an alkaline compound like wet baking soda can be used to neutralize its effect to get relief from discomfort. What happens when nitric acid is added to eggshell? Calcium carbonate is main component of eggshell. So we add nitric acid to eggshell. It reacts with calcium carbonate to form soluble calcium nitrate and water with brief evanescence of carbon dioxide gas. A student prepared solution of an acid second a base in two separate beakers. She forgot to label the solution and litmus paper is not available in the laboratory. Since both the solutions are colorless, how will she distinguish between the two? Answer: other than litmus paper, pH indicators can also be used to distinguish between an acidic and an alkaline solution. Some common pH indicators are methyl orange, phenolphthalein. They show characteristics color change in acidic and alkaline medium. Some natural indicators such as turmeric, red cabbage juice can also used to identify acidic and alkaline behavior of solution. pH indicators: phenol red, color in acidic; yellow, color in acidic medium; red, color in basic medium; phenolphthalein, colorless in acidic medium; pink, color in basic medium; methyl orange, pink or red in acidic medium, yellow in basic medium; turmeric, yellow in acidic medium, reddish brown in basic medium; red cabbage juice, red in acidic medium, yellow in basic medium. How would you distinguish between baking powder and washing soda? By heating. Baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, while forms sodium carbonate Na2CO3, water and carbon dioxide gas while heating. Presence of CO2 can be detected with the help of lime water, which turns milky after reacting with carbon dioxide. Washing soda is sodium carbonate decadehydrated Na2CO3 into 10H2O, which means there are 10 water molecules present with crystal, hence named as water of crystallization. On heating washing soda, it becomes anhydrous and presence of water of crystallization can be detected with the help of anhydrous CuSO4, which shows color change from white to blue with moisture. Question: salt A commonly used in bakery products. On heating gets converted into another salt B, which itself is used for removal of hardness of water, and a gas C is evolved. The gas C was passes through lime water, turns it milky. Identify A, B and C. Salt water is used in bakery products in baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate. On heating of baking soda, sodium carbonate is formed with evolution of carbon dioxide. Sodium carbonate is used to remove hardness of water. Another product is carbon dioxide gas that gives lime taste in which it turns lime water milky. Thus A equal to NaCO3, B equal to Na2CO3 and C equal to CO2. In one of the industrial process of manufacture of sodium hydroxide, a gas X is formed as byproduct. The gas X reacts with lime water to give a compound Y, which is used as a bleaching agent in chemical industry. Identify X and Y giving the chemical equation of the reaction involved. Sodium hydroxide is manufactured by electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride, which forms a hydrogen and chlorine gas as byproducts. Reaction of chlorine gas with lime water from bleaching powder CaCl2, thus X equal to Cl2 gas and Y equal to calcium oxychloride CaCl2. The equation for the preparation of sodium hydroxide NaOH and bleaching powder CaCl2 is given below. Fill in the missing data in the given table. Ammonium chloride NH4Cl, NH4OH base HCl acid. Copper sulfate CuSO4 base CuOH का twice acid H2SO4. Sodium chloride NaCl base NaOH acid HCl. Magnesium nitrate MgNO3 का twice base MgOH का twice acid HNO3. Potassium sulfate K2SO4 बेस KOH एसिड H2SO4. कैल्शियम नाइट्रेट CaNO3 का ट्वाइस बेस COH का ट्वाइस एसिड HNO3. What are strong and weak acid? In the following list of acids, separate strong acid from weak acid. Answer: strong acid ionize completely in its aqueous solution. Therefore, such acid contains high concentration of hydronium ions in their solution. Nitric acid, sulfuric acid are good examples of strong acid. Unlike strong acid, weak acid cannot ionize completely. Therefore, solution of a weak acid contains some unionized molecules with its ion. Organic acid like citric acid, acetic acid and weak acid. In the given acid, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, citric acid is weak acid, acetic acid is a weak acid, nitric acid is a strong acid, formic acid is a weak acid, sulfuric acid is a strong acid. Question: when zinc metal is treated with a diluted solution of a strong acid, a gas is evolved which is utilized in the hydrogenation of oil. Name the gas evolved, write the chemical equation of the reaction involved and also write a test to detect the gas formed. Zinc is a metallic element. Metals react with dilute solution of a strong acid to form respective salts and hydrogen gas. The reaction of zinc with dilute solution of a strong acid like HCl from zinc chloride, ZnCl2 and hydrogen gas is evolved. Hydrogen gas is used in hydrogenation of vegetable oil. It can be tested with the help of burning a splinter as it burns with a pop sound. Long answer type question. In the following schematic diagram for the preparation of hydrogen gas as shown in the figure, what would happen if the following changes are made? In place of zinc granules, same amount of zinc dust is taken in the test tube. Instead of dilute sulfuric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid is taken. In place of zinc, copper turnings are taken. Sodium hydroxide is taken in place of dilute sulfuric acid and the tube is heated. Answer: since zinc dust has larger surface area than zinc granules, so reaction will be faster and hydrogen gas will evolve with greater speed. Both hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid are strong acid, so almost same amount of gas is evolved. Copper is a less reactive metal and does not react with dilute acid, so there will be no reaction between copper turnings and dilute HCl. Reaction of zinc and sodium hydroxide forms a sodium zincate ZNA2 with evolution of hydrogen gas. For making cake, baking powder is taken. If at home your mother uses baking soda instead of baking powder in cake, how will it affect the taste of the cake and why? How can baking soda be converted into baking powder? What is the role of tartaric acid added a baking soda? Answer: baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate which decomposes to sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide on heating. Baking powder is a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate with tartaric acid which really reacts with sodium carbonate and neutralizes it. Therefore, use of baking soda will give a bitter taste to cake due to presence of sodium carbonate. Baking powder is formed by addition of tartaric acid to baking soda. Presence of tartaric acid is baking powder neutralizes the effect of sodium carbonate formed during decomposition of baking soda. A metal carbonate acts on reacting with an acid gives a gas which when passes through a solution Y gives the carbonate back. On the other hand, a gas G that is obtained at anode during electrolysis of brine is passed on dry Y. It gives a compound Z. Uses of disinfecting drinking water. Identify X, Y, G and Z. Here X is calcium carbonate, which is a metal carbonate which reacts with dilute HCl to form calcium carbonate CaCO3, water and carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water or calcium hydroxide COH twice, it gives the calcium carbonate back. So Y is calcium hydroxide. Brine is saturated solution of sodium chloride NaCl. Electrolysis of brine from hydrogen gas at cathode and chloride gas at anode. So G is chlorine gas, which is passes through dry calcium hydroxide, producing bleaching powder. Hence X calcium carbonate, Y equal to lime water, G equal to chlorine gas, and Z calcium oxychloride or bleaching powder. A dry pellet of common base B, when kept in open, absorb moisture and turn sticky. The compound is also product of Cholor-alkali process. Identify B. What types of reaction occur when B is treated with an acidic oxide? Write a balanced chemical equation for one such solution. Here common base B is sodium hydroxide, which is hygroscopic and absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. It is also formed as a product of a Cholor-alkali process. Cholor-alkali process is a electrolysis of brine, saturated solution of sodium hydroxide, that forms aqueous sodium hydroxide with hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Reacting of sodium hydroxide and acidic oxide like carbon dioxide forms a salt, sodium carbonate and water. A sulfate salt of group 2 elements of a periodic table is a white, soft substance which can be molded into different shapes of making it duct. When this compound is left in open for some time, it becomes a solid mass and cannot be used for molding purpose. Identify the sulfate salt and why does it show such a behavior. Give the reaction involved. The sulfate salt, which can be molded into different shapes by making it duct, is calcium sulfate hemihydrate CaSO4 into 1/2H2. It is commonly known as plaster of Paris. Here, 2 molecules of calcium sulfate share 1 molecule of water. Because of presence of water crystallization, it is soft. It really reacts with atmospheric moisture and forms hard solid mass. The solid mass is known as gypsum CaSO4 into 2H2O. Conversion of plaster of Paris to gypsum can be represented as given below. Identify the compound X on the basis of the reactant given below. Also write the name of chemical formula A, B and C. X must be the compound which forms water with acid. It means it must be a base which reacts with acid to form salt and water. The base also reacts with zinc metal and release hydrogen gas. So it must be NaOH, sodium hydroxide.